Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Rachel and today we're going to be doing another Sephora unboxing. I've been away for a little bit, but I will have 2 vlogs coming very soon. So I apologize for my absence. I was doing a little traveling, visiting family on the East Coast, and now I'm ready to get back to business. So this is kind of late. Actually, I just got my notification that my next box is on its way to me. So you might be seeing another one of these really soon. In fact, I was gonna wait another day or so and then just do 2 of them, but I'm like, no, I wanna get a video up. So that's what we're gonna do today. Woohoo, I love new beauty products. So this is super cute. This is this month's little baggie. The makeup brushes, that is super adorable. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. This must have been back to school for September. So this is Beauty Schooled. This is actually August 2018, so I guess I'm a month behind because September's just got shipped. Back to school theme. I love the little notebook. That is super cute, and all my notebooks from school always had a zillion like Lisa Frank stickers on them. Always, always, always with the stickers. Here's my 50 Beauty Insider reward points. So I actually just got my Sephora VIB. If you watched my Instagram stories the other day, I showed you what I got during the VIB sale. But there's a couple other things that I want to pick up. So I might just save this because I think I'm going to be heading back into Sephora soon. So I'm going to take my little card with me. So the actual products, I'm just going to go through some of these quick because some of them I've used before. As in this month, we got another Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. This is nice. I'm not like a crazy brow person that like needs this product, but I have used it before and it does set your brows really nicely. So I would definitely take another. Next I knew I shouldn't have put on lip gloss. I was like, there's probably gonna be a lipstick and then I'm gonna have to take off my lip gloss. So I'm actually gonna do it last, because I don't feel like getting up right now. So we'll skip this one. This one is a Makeup Forever lipstick, so we'll wait for the end. The next thing is a Living Proof hair product. It is their multitasker styler, a versatile styling cream that can be used to define or smooth wet or dry hair. So it's always nice to throw this, I think. I don't know, it never really works on dry hair unless this is the specific case. If I sleep on my hair is, like I said, really fine. So I feel like if I sleep on my hair and I wake up with bedhead, I can use a little of this and just quickly like run it through and then like use my round brush and kind of restyle my hair. Otherwise, I almost never use dry products. I almost never use products on dry hair. I don't know, it doesn't really work for me. I usually put it in wet, so that's probably what I'll do with this. I'm pretty sure I've used this product before. It smells really nice and fresh. I really like Living Proof. We actually stock this at my company where I work, so I've used some of their products. It's really, really nice. So just a styling cream, I'll definitely go through that. Next, we have the Hoola Benefit Bronzer. This is like an OG for me. Like, I think my first bronzer I ever bought was this one, and this was way too dark for me. Either that or I didn't know how to apply it, because I have to tell you, I have some shameful pictures of wearing this and it looks awful on me. So I think if I would get one, like buy the full size, I'd probably go with the Hoola. I think they make like a Hoola Light, don't they now? I'm pretty sure that they make like a lighter version of Hoola. This is like the OG standard that like everyone uses. It's really nice. Let me go get a little bronzer brush and we'll put some of this on. So I think when like I was younger, I'm pretty sure that when I put this on, the reason why it looks so bad is that I just never blended it. So it looked like really ruddy. It still kind of looks ruddy. I think it's just really dark for my skin. So I'd have to go with like a really light hand on this. But everyone swears by this, but I mean, it's just, as you can even see as I'm applying it, it's kind of dark for me, you guys. I am pretty white. This fly is back and it's driving me bonkers. All right. It is nice, like the color is nice. I just feel like it used to make me look so orange. I don't want to look so orange. definitely go through this because I feel like now I know a little bit more about makeup. I can make sure that ruddy, like non-blended bronzer situation doesn't happen again. I think if I bought one, like I said, I'd probably go for the light, but this is a tried and true matte bronzer in a natural hue that, natural for most skin types, natural hue that blends easily for a sun-kissed look. So again, people use this and swear by it. It is definitely a holy grail for many people. I actually really like the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. That's the one I had on earlier. It's a little bit better suited to my skin, but that one has the milk chocolate, has like a milk chocolate light and milk chocolate dark. It's bronzer is hard to get right, you know, especially if you have fair skin. So I'll definitely go through this though. I like it. Okay, next up, oh my gosh, really, this is probably what I'm most excited about. When I saw a face mask, I am always about the face mask life. So this one's by Origins. I've actually never used this one. I have used like a charcoal one by Origins. This one is their original skin. It says a purifying mask that deeply cleans and refines pores for silky smooth skin. And it's a retexturizing mask with rose clay. And rose clay is like really calming for the skin. So yes, that smells amazing. In fact, what I think I'm going to do tonight is throw this into the refrigerator. And when you put on like a cold rose mask, it invigorates. So I think that's what I'm gonna do tonight with that one. And then last but not least, this is this month's bonus. This is the Hoola Volume Shampoo and Conditioner. A shampoo and conditioner duo that adds body and replenishes moisture. And listen, if this works for me, I will buy it because I'm looking for a really good volumizing shampoo and conditioner that like doesn't weigh my hair down, you know, that like kind of nourishes it and gives it a little bit of moisture without like, sometimes the moisturizing shampoo and conditioners can be really heavy. He's willing to try it, and I love Hoola. I don't know how to say it, but I love this brand. I love their products, so I'm definitely interested in trying that. And last but not least, I'm going to take off my lip gloss, even though I love this Wet Cherry Gloss by Lime Crime. I have the pink sparkly one on. I think it's called Sweet Cherry. Juicy Cherry, this one's called. Pink sparkly. I don't know if you can see it, but... Okay. So I'm taking that off. My lips are like permanently stained pink. Like this is the color of my lips. I think from wearing all the pink lipstick over a lifetime, it's just like absorbed into them. All right, and then this one looks kind of like a mauvey, not mauvey, more like a brownie rose color. I don't know what I'm saying, it's the end of the day. All right, so this is a Makeup Forever Artist Rouge in a soft rosewood shade. That's a better description, with a smooth satin finish, highly pigmented. You're here, oh, the color looks so pretty. It looks different than it looks like on their paper. This looks more mauve. I don't know if you could see that. And then on here, it looks really brown. Let's see. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love this color. Sorry you guys, I'm like trying to use the viewfinder. What do we think? I love it. I actually like it more than I thought I would. On there I was like, it looks like a brownish pink. You know, it'll be nice for fall, but it won't be my go-to. But this is more mauve than I thought it would be. What do we think? So that is it. That's all I have for you guys. These are all this month's products. If I had to pick my top 2 faves, I would probably go with this lipstick. I have to go with this lipstick. This is in, they don't have names of their lipstick, but it's in C211, and probably the original skin. But I will get use out of the bronzer. Ooh, I will get use out of the bronzer, and for sure I'm excited about this too. So I'd say 4 of them I'm excited about, and 2 of them I'm just like, okay, cool, I'll try them. So I love me a Sephora box. I'm never canceling this. As long as they have it for $10, I am in, because I really do use all of my products and I get to try a lot of like things. And honestly, something like this, like, yeah, it looks small. This will take me a long time to go through. So I actually don't have to buy makeup as often because I have like a lot of small samples that I can go through before I have to buy a full size. So that is all I have to say. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully it wasn't too boring. I know some people like these and some people are like, think it's Snorville. So if you were bored, sorry about that, and definitely tune back in because I'm coming out with a vlog really soon. And I love you guys, and I'll see you guys all in my next video.